Heaven's message for you today is this. Listen gently, my beloved, because I am speaking to your heart right now, not with the thunder, but with a whisper that has followed you through sleepless nights and quiet tears. And even now, as you read this word, I am nearer than your breath, watching the weight you carry and the questions you are afraid to ask. And I ask you softly, do you know how deeply I see you? How carefully I have encountered, how carefully I have counted every tear that fell when no one was noticed. How I never once turned my face away when you felt forgotten by the world. If you like this video, I want you to subscribe this channel and turn on notification to get daily God message videos. Amen.